ମଞ୍ଚସଭା ବାଲ୍ୟ ଅତିଥି ମଞ୍ଚ ସପକ୍ଷରେ ବସିଥିବା ସମସ୍ତ ଅତିଥି ମିଡ଼ିଆର ବନ୍ଧୁମାନେ ଆପଣ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଆଜିର ଉତ୍କଳ ଦିବସ ଅବସରରେ ମୋର ଅଭିନନ୍ଦନ। ଆମେମାନେ ବହୁତ ସମୟ ଧରି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଅଭିବାସ ସବୁ ସହିଲେଣି, ଏକ୍ସପର୍ଟକୁ ବି ସହିଲେଣି। ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ମୋର ବକ୍ତବ୍ୟ ଟିକେ ସଂକ୍ଷିପ୍ତ କରିବି। ମୁଁ actually I must contribute Dipa Jyoti for energy peace right on this auspicious occasion. I worked in for many years. I am associated with it for last 10 years. I know him when he came from Keujha to Bhubaneswar and started this interview ties like a very tiny ordinary manager. You see what is done. This transported with Smiggy come out of the manager. Very glossy and incorporating the life stories of the successful personalities of Odisha. It's been a great job. By doing this, we actually inspired millions of youth of Odisha who is creating a life story of all the successful personalities categories, various sectors of society, be it polity, be it bureaucracy, be it business or industry. All these people, they excel in the Odisha industrial landscape. Their story walked out by Divaji in this mighty magazine. As we have already heard from the experts around the table that they talk about the Odisha growth story. आज Odisha aspect to become one of the leading or developed states of India. Aspire to become a $500 billion economy by 2036. It is all the more important to discuss whether it can achieve it or not. I am pretty sure with the kind of the resources we have, naturally the natural resources, the mining metal sector will drive the GDP of Odisha because of the abundance of metal resources and the logistic open logistics, right? We have ports, we have pre-major ports, some other ports are coming. So all the major investments are destined to come to Odisha. You have seen the Utkarsh Odisha, about 17 million rupees of investment, 70 lakhs rupees of investment has intent has come to Odisha. Out of that, what they been like to is in the mining and metal sector. That is quite natural. They will come whether you invite them or not, because you have the resources, you have the logistics to come. The point is, somebody was thinking about the development of entrepreneurs from Odisha. So when these industries come, the regular industry, the mother industry, around there you can have downstream industries, ancillary industries. So our focus should be on that, so that we will develop nowadays of ODI entrepreneurs who will become job givers, not the job seekers. When that happens, when the ODI persons really use their job givers, that they will think that they actually love. So, my friends, other than made money related sector, there are other sectors made also unique consulted, like retail, like apparel, like semiconductor, data centers, where there are a lot of potential, employment potential. We have 480 kilometers of coastline, so we can be a very good to this destination. So I think Odisha, Odisha is actually focusing on that, broadly saying the sectors where investment should come. And we think I aspire by everybody is the very developed state. I sure guides is a very value. We play a major role in shaping the industrial aspect of Odisha, writing about the success stories and harping on the development of Odisha. All the media, further that there is a advertise how the media put their net ago to the great because they will actually come to the developed public and distribute the information that is following here, and also act as a bridge between the public and the government. आज president of Uttar Chamber of Commerce and Industries, our endeavor is always on that. We are the Tiger MSME association. So I am absolutely sure that unless leisure industries are developed, the local European people will not be that really sit down. They cannot keep jobs. So that is what we need to aspire for with the leaders sitting here, who's leaders, with the members from the political community, all the intelligence society there. That is the thing that we must be to actually to develop in such a way that it a police department with all the local population, rural population become the stakeholders in the development prosperity for Isa. And once it was my relative to the project for inviting me here, giving me opportunity and also participating me on this Asida. Thank you very much.